Welcome to Naledi's Subspace.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Naledi Mketezi. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a story time. So basically, in today's story time video, I'm going to be telling a story of when I got crooked by a man from church. Yes, you heard it right. From church. A whole man of prayer, right? Who goes to church and pray and whatnot. I know maybe someone else out there is judging me that, oh my goodness, why would you take this out to the watwati? No, don't you feel bad. Guys, when this person crooked me, he didn't even think Uguti. I wonder how Naledi is gonna feel if I do this to her. I wonder, like, he didn't even have all of that in mind whatsoever, right? And now I must think of, no, my darling, let's get straight into it. So once upon a time in Mexico, but in this case, once upon a time in South Africa. So, I was a youngin', I was fresh, I was still fresh, I must say. So this one time, because I was part of the graduate society at church, and because now I was a good child, and I had, of course, offered my services to create a database and a mini web page, sort of like a website for games with everyone's qualifications and whatnot. So because I'm the girl, I'm a child of God, I'm just gonna do the God's work. Fine. A few months later, brother man came through and he was like, what to do, Naledi, what to do? So brother man came through to the girl and she was like, baby girl, can you please help the brother out? Because the girl was very happy, was very excited to get into the game and kill it dead. You know, Mos. Mos. And I'm like, brother man, got this. I got you. Fine. So Mos, obviously now that I've kind of like have an idea of what it is that he wants from the app, whatnot. So it was sort of like an admin app. Anyway, it was sort of like an admin app. So just log in, capture data, have graphs here and there and whatnot. So he asks me, how much do I normally charge? So because now as a baby child, I was very like scared to charge. So I was like, it starts from 6K, So I was trying to he was like, no, let it not be too high, kaloku. I'm still trying out. Because hi, babe's the girl. Fine. And then as we talk, on the following week we started talking, and then he keeps on adding stuff. And mind you, this is a lot of work. And then I started increasing the price. I'm thinking, oh my goodness, this is not fair. Imagine I need to create different types of users. You need to be the main guy. You need to be this guy and this guy in the web application. Right? Fine, I do all of those things. So we were supposed to meet because now I want a deposit now, because I was like, you can see the progress of the application, so therefore I would like to get some deposit. And the guy was busy pushing for the finish of the, I must say finishal, for the finish of the project, because he had to present to NYDA. I don't know, the tender people, guys, never trust those people. But anyway, so I was also working hard, not sleeping, day and night, midday supper. Hey, I ate and was breathing the whole application. So I spoke to him during the week and I was like, okay, fine. So when am I getting my money? So the dude was like, babe is the girl. I'm gonna sort you out on Saturday. Oh yes. So I had already sent him my resource breakdown with all the price, the cost of the project and whatnot. So it had gone up to 9,000 rands, which the system is a multi-million dollar system, okay? But I charged him 9,000 rands because I was scared to charge. Don't judge me. Fine. So I sent him the invoice, and fine, he got the invoice, and yeah, he was like, he didn't say anything. So I was like, okay, dude, when can I get? Okay, I didn't say dude because he's older than me. But for the sake of this video, I said, okay, it's cool, dude. Okay, it's cool, dude. when am I getting my money? He's like, no, I'm gonna give it to you after church on Saturday. Okay, so I was like, nah. But I was a bit worried. I was like, this is a lot of money. Like, why would you bring cash? Even if you had to like give me half of it, like 4.5 ish, it's a lot of money for you to carry it in cash. Fine, so I keep on working because really I love working and I love what I do. I love writing code, so it was not much of a big deal. Come Saturday after church, he's like, okay, Naledi, I saw your resource breakdown and stuff. So how I had created my invoice was I had to like break down like in like login page, register, admin page, whatnot, so and give it a price. So for login was like probably like 550 rands. And so nigga man was like, babes the girl, like, can I pay you per line? So imagine if the first line in the breakdown is 500 rands and then the second line is 600 rands. When are we gonna, like, every single month, not even every single week, every single month, when are we gonna get to 9,000 rands? Like, are you kidding me? And then, cause very like, you know how tender people are, they're used to manipulating people. You know, I ended up saying, okay, it's fine, Booty, don't worry about it, it's fine. He's like, no, I'm gonna send it to you tomorrow morning. And and then I'm thinking, okay, fine. The following morning, on a Sunday morning, I get a bank notification, an SMS, 550. Like, I know I probably wanted to go shopping. I probably would have gotten myself a pair of jeans or some t-shirts or whatnot, but like, honey, I was like, no. If something breaks, because obviously if you're gonna have people use this application, it's gonna break because it's not stable. Trust you. Guys, for the sake of this video, we're just gonna finish it up. I'm not gonna tie it properly. The brother man sent me 550 rands. 550 rands. So if you need 9,000 rand. Guys, if you need 9,000, like I leave CC. 550 rand. Guess what I did? I sent it back to him. I was like, give me your bank account, give me your account number, because I ain't accepting this. And I was like, because if something breaks, I have to spend my time trying to fix it. And Renee, you're not even bothered by that. I was like, okay. But before that, low booty sana. The audacity, like low booty, I can't mind into an audacity. And when I audacity, no plate is in it. He says to me, okay, before the whole thing of me returning his money to his bank account and me scratching out the whole thing, nobody sent me a proposal. Yeah, business. Uti, let's start a business together. Because baby girl needs the money. I was like, fine. I was very excited because I was like, already he's in business. He knows how those things roll. He's like, let's start a business together. You know what he wanted? He didn't want to pay me. He wanted me to, okay, because obviously if we are already business partners, I can do to Magandi Patal. So he didn't want to pay me the money. So he was playing some former president of ours that didn't want to bring back the money. Do you understand what I'm saying? And then for me, I was like, this man is a bit dodgy. But I agreed, Yabo. When he sent me a proposal or the list of things that we were going to do in the business, yeah? I'm like, this man is serious. Just because of 9,000 rands. Ay, man, so by crook. Guess what the name of the company was? It was named after yours truly. It was called Naledi Technologies. Who does that? Guys, if the Hawks were to come after me, like, my name is on the door. And he didn't even feel bad about it. He didn't even apologize that I'm so sorry that I put you all through all of this. Don't do any. I don't even want his apology. Guess what? If he watches this video, the Zakaya, if the shoe fits, wear it. Okay, this is my story. Okay, and if any of you, if you feel like you're offended by the story, you can just simply exit this video now, because it is what it is. So on a serious note, my fellow freelancers and whatnot, just be, if you're new in this business, because one of the advice that I would give to like newly graduates is that while you're still looking for a job, you can, do the side things, and you can also add those to your CV, and you will get people not wanting to pay you. Guys, I've got a lot of those stories. No mama was the saloon, guys. It's a lot of the stories, ne? But what I'm gonna say to you is, ask for a deposit before you start working. Otherwise, wena uzobusebenza pro bono, and that's not what you want. Okay, so be careful of these crooks. Be careful. Bye.